Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an AI vlog on OpenArt.ai. So if you go to home here or one click story, you'll see that there's a character vlog here. You're just going to select create, or you can also do explainer video depending on the video you want to create. So here's like an example. I'm just going to select create here to on the character vlog. Here you can customize your character. You can upload a photo, or you can use the community characters that they have here. You can also view all. There's a bunch that you can choose from. Or you can, remove everything and just type in, a vlog of a turtle making pancakes, for instance. This isn't free, by the way. I don't know how many credits I have, but you're just going to do that. Or you can just use the character here. For instance, like a vlog of Milo making cookies, making chocolate chip cookies. You can also select the aspect ratio. You can also add in background music. I'm just going to select auto select here. Then I'm going to select Crazy. Okay, I have to mention the character. So at Milo making chocolate chip cookies, and then create story. I need 1,000 credits. I only have 40 credits left, but an example would be like this, I guess. It's like a spa day, but again, I can't show you because I don't have enough credits. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.